Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jonathan and Stefy Golden. Today is the day where we make history and we remodel the bathroom that I say
and
that
it says history because we've been trying to do this since we moved into this house.
Yes, so it's a big stepping stone.
Big deal.
So we're gonna, if you haven't seen the master bath in the bedroom before, there is green tile that is all original from the original owner, we believe. And the green tile has got to go. So we're gonna go with like the vinyl Spanish style tile, black and white, and then we're gonna do laminate flooring that kind of matches the current wood, but we found one that's pretty close and similar, and I don't think we'll be able to tell the difference with the transition. So and then I'm gonna also save myself some money and doing demo with my buddy Ian. Ian, I appreciate your help on this one. I'll see you tomorrow. But I'm going to Lowe's right now to get some supplies. So we need the vinyl tile, and then we also need these things here. I'm going to read off. Stefy, my assistant. Floor scraper, pry bar set, chisel set, goggles, plastic tape or plastic, and then I could tape it, seal it off so there's no dust flying in the house. Mask, COVID. And then a hammer drill with a chisel attachment, I guess, and earplugs, so you don't want to get like dust in your ear, and it could be loud with all the hammering and everything going on. So we're on our way to Lowe's. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, this is scary. Because Jonathan's always trying to save money here and there. I mean, it's good, but let's see how this works out. I guess if anything, we'll just have whoever finish it up, right? If he doesn't do it right.
Oh, come on, it's demo work. Anyone can do it. It said beginner level, yeah, it said level type, and it said beginner on the video on Home Depot site.
All right, we'll see. We'll see you guys in a bit.
All right, guys, here's what we got: knee pads, chisel, hammer, earplugs. Where's the earplugs? Earplugs. We got this hammer drill here. All right, we did 2 Lowe's runs, one in Santa Clarita and then one in like Canyon Country. We're out here. We got a Starbucks for my little helper out here. Used up all your points. If you don't use up all your points by July 1st, they will expire.
No, it's not. It's different for everyone. You haven't used them in a while, that's why.
Oh, okay. Well, use your Starbucks points. They're our sponsor for today's video. Anyways, we spent about 600 bucks at 2 Lowe's. We got knee pads, and we changed our mind on the tile. We did like a hex tile, so you guys will see the outcome of that. Got a drill, got a hammer, chisels, everything ready to go. So excited for tomorrow. Steffi's gonna help. No?
Yeah. All right, guys. So we're back home, and Jonathan thinks
I'm here. I'm ready.
He's gonna test out.
Where should I do it? Right here in the corner?
A piece, yeah.
Okay.
He's gonna test out breaking a piece of tile to see if he's able to do it. So we're gonna just kind of do like a little bit right there before his friend comes over tomorrow and see if they're gonna be able to do it. Mishka, you gotta leave the room. Mishka, come.
All right, let me get my knee pads here, guys. I'm gonna get my knee pads. I have my mask. I need goggles, so I'm gonna get some goggles. You want to wear some protective goggles so you don't want to mess up the eyes here. Because I did break tile. I have an experience with tile when I was a kid. My grandfather and my uncle were breaking the tile in the front porch, and I tried to break one tile because they were just breaking it with a hammer, so I broke one. And it shot up and it scratched my face, and I didn't do anything like that again.
You gotta be careful with that.
So I gotta get goggles. I think they're in here.
What's up? Oh, don't show our closet. Anyway, hopefully he's able to do it, so that way him and his friend can do it tomorrow, and we don't have to pay for the demo.
Here we go, guys. This is how you do demo work here.
Alright, so let's see.
So on the video I saw where they said they had to like you chisel here. It looked very easy, but
should we wear earplugs?
I can't breathe. I don't know how. What the heck? How do you get this off?
Are you gonna make a bunch of dust?
Well, yeah, tomorrow.
No, right now.
No.
I think you need scissors to cut it off. Just try it.
Okay.
Oh my god. I'm gonna stand back here because I don't want to get friggin'.
Well, this, I need this to.
Pero,
Okay. So the first step is to get the grout. Okay.
oh my god.
Get the grout here, and you chip away at the grout. It seems pretty easy. Let me try this one. They did it so easily on the video.
Yeah, babe. Oh, that looks like you're doing something.
I think you need to use the power tool.
Careful with your hand.
Maybe at the here.
Oh, there you go.
Someone's gonna have to be worth the drill, and we'll take turns. So let's see how the drill is gonna do.
Yeah, look. It looks like it's lifted, no? Right here.
Yeah. My thumb hammer though.
Yeah, that's not a hammer. A hammer goes like in and out.
Glasses.
All right, guys.
Wear some glasses.
So,
There, wear those.
okay.
So guys,
Jonathan has gotten the wrong.
it said hammer. Hammer means up and down straight. So I don't know what these people at Lowe's are doing, but I found this Big Daddy drill. I can't drill. Big Daddy drill. I can't even talk. This mask. Okay, so yeah, this is the DeWalt. I'll link everything below. It's got this ruler thing here, but I don't.
So he's gonna go for it.
Oh yeah, I got it in the hammer setting here. Forward and reverse, I don't know. We'll just plug it in and give it a go.
Oh my gosh. I'm scared. I'm gonna stand all the way over here and I'll just zoom in.
I'm gonna wear some gloves too.
I'm scared, guys.
See what happens.
Just don't go all ham. Just try a little area and then do the rest tomorrow because
You know who you're talking to? I'll show you how it's done. Let me show you. Okay, let me just do a test.
This is not going well, guys.
You know what? We're just gonna go with it. I think you need to apply pressure and then just hammer it.
Oh my god.
Here we go. Say hello to my little friend. Huh? You want a piece of this?
Be careful, babe.
You got it?
Yes.
Shit. It should be. No, it's not connected. It should be connected more. So here is the bathroom currently. It's a little bit of a mess, but we have green tile here. Someone installed.
We just got rid of all the stuff that was here. Now it's over there just.
Yeah, we're gonna upgrade the towel racks here. It's about $100 if you're gonna upgrade this. This looks very, very dated. One of our friends was knocking us, so we decided to upgrade. We had it in mind anyways, but so now we're just doing everything completely all at once. The handicap bar thing has got to go. I don't know how to remove this, so might have to ask somebody about that.
Yeah.
But we did remove that. We're getting ready tomorrow. Here's all the tools. Oh, we got a little helper here. We got knee pads, everything ready to go. Extension cords, vacuum, bucket. I got to bring in a shovel. And what else? We're good? Mm-hmm. We're good? Stay tuned. Good night, guys. We're tired. She's tired. She's ready to go to bed. Night-night. And the Goldens are signing off tonight. We may end the vlog here, or we might continue to tomorrow. We'll let you know. All right, guys, we're here. We're ready. We're here. We cleaned out the bathroom, the master. Ian is my helper for today. It's game time, baby. Woo! Thank you, brother, for being here, helping. Yeah. So we're gonna take turns demoing, cleaning, and see how far we can get, guys. So here's the before, and then hopefully we'll be done in an hour. Here is the space. So about 12 by 10 and 12 by 9. We're making some progress here, moving right along. 50% done almost in here, this room. Trash cans are full. Yeah, now the problem is going to be making this smooth. There is, yeah, a lot of debris. Don't worry about that. Yeah, so we're gonna have to smooth that out. We got Stefy going to get a couple tile scrapers, floor scrapers, and that's gonna be probably, you know, half day of removing the tile and another half day chiseling. Right, bro?
I'd say so.
Yeah. Get it? Say hello to my little friend. Here we go. We got some tile we need to clear. My goggles are a little foggy. Here we go. Alright, we got an update. We need a sander here, angle grinder, because there is a bunch of glue on the floor here. Take a closer look. So you want the concrete like that, and so there's some extra adhesive here. This part will be taken care of with the chisel, but mainly the glue is you want to get with the sander here, this grinder. So we got another one. It's about 100 bucks. This was about 100 bucks as well, believe it or not. It's like a diamond turbo cup wheel. So we'll see what happens here. Here's all got debris here, and we have a bin of all the tile that we got to dump. So coming along nicely. Here, da-da-da-da, boom, boom, boom. And right here, we figured we'd stop at the toilet because the toilet looks like it's on top of the tile. So the guys are gonna have to manage with that. So. Hey guys, another day in paradise. We're here at the Goldens, and good news is we did the remodel, we got the rehab kind of done. I did the demo, and Ian, thank you so much again for all your help. And then we got Blue Pacific Contractors Incorporated to help us out with the legit stuff, the vinyl, luxury vinyl plank. So let's take a look at what they did today and go from there. All right guys, here is the master bedroom. Looking very good, and boom, voila.
Wow.
Look at that, huh?
Looks good.
Fully done. I think I can walk on it. I think you peel and stick it, so I'm gonna just be very careful. Whoa, they did the whole thing. Come on. Good. Just take off your shoe. It's clean. So what we didn't do is that we couldn't remove the toilet, but they removed the toilet. I think tomorrow now they're gonna do the grout. So they're gonna do a white grout in between here. It's gonna look super clean. And it's gonna go with the white. Really good. They did this all in one day, so really cool. So 2020 pattern, 1980 pattern. 2020, 1980.
We'll get to that eventually.
Yeah, eventually. But coming along, big change, big change.
And they're gonna come paint the walls.
Yeah, then we gotta paint the walls. The walls are a little nicked up and dusty. Yo guys, what's up? It's Jonathan. Stefy's at work right now, but I wanted to finish off this video and show you guys the final results of everything. We're super excited, super thankful for Ian and also Blue Pacific Contractors for installing in a timely manner, just in time for the weekend. So it came out beautifully. Check it out, guys. So we did laminate flooring here, and here's the transition from the old to the new, so it's pretty similar. I don't know if on camera you can even tell. And here is the bedroom. Put a picture for you guys. So that's all done. And then here's the transition to the other room. They did a really nice smooth. There's no strip. I kind of like this. There's very smooth transition. And then here's the white grout. It's still kind of dirty. We got to clean it. We've just been so busy, but there it is. It looks, oh, there's some towels there, but don't mind us. We're back to living normally here. So yeah, it looks super cool. I think we thought the bathroom was so big, so we went with a more simple marble luxury vinyl look. I think the white and black is good for smaller bathrooms that are like maybe that section, you know, that size, or maybe, you know, if the bathroom was just here, because it would be too busy if it's a whole big bathroom. So I think this look looks pretty cool, modern, compared to that green tile you guys saw. What a difference. We've noticed it's a little hotter in here due to the flooring, but we have a fan, so no big deal. But on your feet it feels really nice. In the morning it was like super cold. Now it's like, you know, not that cold. So pretty cool. Comment down below what you guys think. Be sure to subscribe and like this video, and we'll do some more home projects soon. Change some light fixtures around the house, and look forward to seeing you guys soon. Stay golden.